Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite. We'll start by covering the absolute essentials. Your main goal is to be the last one standing, whether you're playing solo or with a squad. Mastering basic movement, like running, jumping, and crouching, is crucial for survival. Also, take a moment to understand your user interface, especially the map and your inventory, as these will guide your early game decisions. Once you've landed, the next step is to find loot. Prioritize landing in areas with good item density to quickly arm yourself. Pay attention to weapon rarities. A legendary assault rifle, for example, offers significantly more power than a common one. Practice your aim, aiming for headshots whenever possible to maximize your damage output. Remember, different weapons excel in different situations, so choose wisely for close quarters or long-distance engagements. Building is a core mechanic in Fortnite, offering both defensive and offensive advantages. You can quickly construct walls, floors, stairs, and roofs to protect yourself or push opponents. There are 3 material types: wood, brick, and metal, each with varying durability, with wood being the fastest to build but weakest. Mastering editing allows you to modify structures for strategic peeks or quick escapes. Always aim to gain the high ground, using your builds during a fight. As the game progresses, the storm circle will shrink, forcing players closer together. Always plan your rotations to stay within the safe zone. Remember to use shield potions and medkits to keep your health and shields topped up. A full shield can absorb 100 points of damage. If you're in a squad, clear communication is key to coordinating attacks and defenses. Adapt your playstyle to the evolving situation to outsmart your opponents and claim that coveted Victory Royale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.